The classic carbonara. We're gonna make a traditional one that doesn't use creamer. So, yep, this one is actually really, really good and excellent. So, let's start. Here we have a pack of Vida bacon, 900 grams of spaghetti noodles. Okay, now we start with the pasta first. Okay, we get this water to a boil. All right, now it's ready. You get the pasta in. Try not to break it up or break it apart because it's so that the noodles are still long. Oh, now it fell off. Sorry about that. Put it back on the pot. Yes. All right. Oh, there's two more. Oh, three. Okay. There you go. Now we wait for this until it softens up a bit. This way we can get all to the water all together. Oh, broke up. All right. See, it's getting softer and softer soon. I mean, sooner than expected. Now we put salt, about a tablespoon or teaspoon of salt. Now they're softening it up. All right. Now we go with the eggs. We use 3 whole eggs. So we beat this. We whisk it good, so that everything is all mixed up, like as if you're making an omelet. All right. Yes, there. Now we add a bit of grated cheese. We're using just regular cheese. You can use any cheese that you want, like mozzarella and all that. That'll be so good. Okay, we make sure there's no clumps. This way, it melts up off into the sauce easily. All right. Now we add a bit of Parmesan. Yes, this is actually gonna take place of instead of putting salt, so it's gonna be good now with no need for salt, and plus we already put salt on the pasta water, so we're gonna get some of that if we need a bit of more sauce, so that's okay. All right, now let's look at the pasta. It's almost done. The packet says 10 minutes, so we did this for about 5 minutes because we're gonna cook it further with all together with the other ingredients. So now let's go here with the pan, another one. And now we put a bit of oil, get the bacon all fried up. We just use a bit of oil just to make sure it doesn't stick because the longer the bacon cooks, the more oil we get from the bacon fats. And that bacon oil is really, really delicious. All right. Mix it a bit, we make sure nothing is sticking or nothing is getting overcooked. So this way, it gets toasted up all together in one go. Now we got some crushed black pepper. We season it up. And of course, we mix it. In the word of heat again. Oh, it's starting to smell good. I love the smell of fried bacon. Even if it's not the morning. Anytime. Alright. Now we put some oregano. Yes, so we season this up. And some basil. Alright. You can actually use other, seasoning, but we choose just oregano and basil to make it good now. Oh, the smell is wonderful. Yes, mix it more. Alright, now as it cooks, here it is, starting to boil up. We add a bit of pasta water as sauce, and because the pasta water that we used earlier has a bit of salt, you don't need to add salt after this. Okay, that's about 1/4 or half a cup of water, pasta water. Now I put a bit of garlic to get the taste really good now. And you can actually try to toast up the bacon some more if you want, but this is good for me now. Yes, now you can see it's cooking really good. Now it's time for the pasta. So the pasta is cooked now. Yes, there you go. Keep adding some more. Yes. Put all of it Now we get to mix it. Oh, it's starting to look good. It's starting to smell really, really pleasant. Okay, now we pour the egg with cheese. We mix it properly and pour it slowly, little by little. This way you don't have a hard time mixing it all together. And of course, you have to put it in a really, really low heat because if the heat is a little too high, it'll start cooking up like an omelet. So, yep, we mix this good. Oh, this is gonna be really, really delicious. Now we sprinkle it with some spring onion, chopped spring onion for garnish. Yep. Now, let me unclip the phone, let me show you. And of course, you can click here for another stuff that you want to cook and check it out. And of course, subscribe if you haven't. But oh, look at this carbonara. This is really, really delicious. It's awesome. You gotta try this, all right? So if you subscribe, we'll see you around on the next video, all right? Thank you.